Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero, and in this video we are looking at AMC. Guys, I was right. This is exactly what we want to see for today. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the bars pattern and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at for the rest of the week. Break down timeline so there's no confusion, because I think some people got confused on when I'm expecting these higher prices and what exactly are we looking at for the rest of the week and throughout the rest of the couple months for AMC stock. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data on this beautiful day. Guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero, and today is a very special day. Today is the start of the major rally that I have been calling for, and guys, it is playing out exactly as I predicted. We are looking beautiful. Buy signal on the 4-hour time frame. Break out of this 2-year falling wedge downtrend. This is all that matters. This is a beautiful breakout to the upside. We are seeing things change in AMC. Ape is starting to run with AMC. We're going to see Ape run with AMC, just like I told you guys. Ape will be running with AMC. All of the meme stocks will run together. As you guys can see, all of the meme stocks are starting to pick up. Now, this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go. I think some people got very confused about the bars pattern and the time frames on the bars pattern. Okay, so I was only calling for about $6, $6.15 by Friday. Right here is the dates. The bars pattern never moved. Okay, it stays the same. Right here on the bottom of the screen is the dates. I know you guys can see them. So guys, watch as I scroll through how long this actually takes. It's gonna take some time. And by May 5th, around earnings time, I think we could start to see another blast off. So what I'm expecting to happen exactly, I'll explain it to you and break it down to you guys. I'm thinking we're gonna move up to about about $6 here on Friday. Consolidate around Friday and maybe Monday. Then Tuesday, around May 2nd, start to have a push up, maybe a gap up pre-market in the after hours or pre-market on Tuesday, around Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, we are going to consolidate around that range of $7, $7.50 for quite some time around earnings time. And then after earnings on May 11th, around that date, see a blast off to the upside. May 11th is the real time that we see major upside. May 11th, May 12th, May 13th. That is the time we see major uptime to these prices at about 30, 40 dollars. So that is when I'm calling for those price ranges, not now. Okay, I thought I made that very clear when I went into the bars pattern and everything else. Now, what I'm looking at for after this bars pattern to play out is a continuation to the upside. So I'm expecting an initial pop to the upside around that May 11th, May 13th, May 12th date, then start heading back to the downside, then coming back to the upside and downside, violently swinging in these ranges of $10 to $12, then start to consolidate to the upside and then have another massive rip to the upside. This bars pattern is from the 2020 run up, this run up here. So if the pattern was to continue to play out, it means that we consolidate to the upside and have another massive rip. Now, it's extremely hard to get everything to fit on there, and that is why I'm not able to get the bars pattern to fit 100% correctly when I get all of the price structure. But if I were to take it and show you guys kind of visually what it would look like, it would be something like this. It's going to be very hard to fit on here accurately, but it is a very drastic move and very exciting if this move were to come to fruition. And based off what I'm looking at from the technical analysis and my research and how on point the bars pattern has been, this move is going to come into play. As you guys can see, I'm stretching this thing, and it's still not big enough. The move is absolutely massive. It will start to consolidate and then move to the upside after this first initial pop. I've shown it on several other videos. I'm not able to get it 100% right now, but basically it would move to the upside, consolidate like this, and then have another rip to the upside. upside, and this is later down the road, obviously in 2024. So this does take time to play out. It's like a Tesla style type short squeeze, and that does make sense to me based off of the FTDs constantly coming due, and now that the reverse split is going to be postponed or not happening, they are going to have to pay these FTDs because they were going to erase them during the reverse split conversion. But now that that's not happening and it's being postponed, these are going to become a huge problem, and they are T plus 35 closeout dates due for the rest of the year because of all of the FTDs piling up, us constantly being on the threshold security list and then not covering it and still taking us off the threshold security list. These FTDs are absolutely insane, and this could give us huge price action to the upside, especially if shorts begin to cover. So if shorts begin to cover, we have 26.62% short interest. So this again with the FTDs, the short interest with FOMO, gamma squeezes, all of those things could cause the price action that I'm expecting, and this is what I'm looking at. But as far as I'm concerned, basically, guys, you are invited to my Discord. I believe that I have the keys, okay? I'm going to be giving out price targets to make the maximum amount of money off of this run, okay? Do not get greedy and hold for numbers that are not going to come. In my Discord, we do talks every day about AMC, updating you guys on what's going on, and I will be giving you guys levels to buy and sell if you like. This is not financial advice, but I will be giving those out for you if you guys want to see them. I'll be giving out my personal research on the Discord, which you guys can look at, showing you the levels that I'm buying and selling at, because I believe that we have the keys and we have a potential to make a ton of money off of these moves. So this is what I'm looking at based off of my research and my technical analysis. Everything looks good in my personal opinion. I do think that we are going to continue to move to the upside throughout today. But I do want to point out that RSI is extremely blown out, and we are way outside of the Bollinger Band. So right now we are seeing a gamma squeeze type, parabolic squeeze type move. Anytime you're outside the Bollinger Bands, that is a parabolic or gamma squeeze type move. And as you guys can see, we're using the bands as support right now, pushing to the upside. So only two things can happen right now is either we push to the upside and continue to push to the upside hard, or we're going to come back down to this 540, 530 range and have to retest that and move to the upside. But the fact that RSI is so blown out and we just continue to keep moving up is telling me that we are in a parabolic type movement that is going to see either extreme price action to the upside and continue to melt to the upside throughout today and tomorrow, or have pull back and then continue to the upside. My personal opinion is that this thing is going to continue slowly melting to the upside around that $6 range by Friday night. So I do think we will be in that $6 range by Friday, on my personal opinion, based off of my research and my technical analysis, what I am looking at. So guys, this is everything I have for you on AMC. Again, join the Discord if you want up-to-date information, second by second, minute by minute. It's absolutely free. You guys are welcome to join the community there. I have a great community there. We talk about AMC stocks all day long, and everyone is really nice, really inviting. So you guys are welcomed there if you like. I'll leave the links down in the comment section and description below. But this is what I'm looking at, guys. Again, $6 by Friday, and then we'll run up around the earnings time. We'll consolidate. So basically $6 by Friday, then probably Tuesday, Wednesday, have a push up pre-market, consolidate into earnings, and then after earnings around May 5th to May 11th, have a nice push to the upside, and then see $30 or $40 around that range around May 16th, May 17th, May 18th, around that time, based off of my technical analysis and research. So this is what I'm looking at. And we broke out of the falling wedge, which is a beautiful sign. We broke out of the falling wedge today. As you guys can see, we broke out of this falling wedge sloping resistance, and we are now on our way to making a uptrend for AMC. And if you go ahead and just take your high from your low, and that will give you your breakout target for your falling wedge, you guys can see that it puts us right at around where the bars pattern is saying, telling me, giving me more confirmation that we're going to have this move to the upside, as well as the bars pattern being on point, tracking out for 3 weeks now, giving me confirmation, the technical analysis giving me confirmation
as well as the fundamental data and fundamentals of the company improving, getting better. I do think that earnings is going to be a blowout. I think we're going to see a positive earnings and have that push us to the upside. With the popcorn, with the box office doing so good, I think all of these things are going to help us have this move to the upside, as well as gamma in the call option ramp. As you guys can see, if we get above that $5 or $6 range, we will have a significant push to the upside, and that is exactly what the bars pattern is saying. Once we get above that $5 or $6 range, we have a significant push to the upside, and that's what the call options is saying as well. Cost to borrow is at about 201% on average, putting an extreme amount of pressure on the shorts and making it not feasible to open up new short positions and be profitable, especially while the stock is going up. Again, putting an extreme amount of pressure on the shorts, causing them to capitulate and crash, and causing the short squeeze that we are all waiting for. Short interest is at all-time highs, basically, for AMC, giving us more momentum, more ammo to move to the upside, and FTDs are out of control, giving us more ammo, more momentum to move to the upside. Way more FTDs than the last run-up, telling me that this run-up will be even larger. Guys, this is everything I have for you. I do not think it is going to take until June before we see these massive moves. I think that could help be a catalyst. The June date, as you guys can see, this June date is when we have another rip to the upside. I do think that could be a catalyst, but I don't think it is going to take that long to see these price targets that I'm looking for based off of what I'm looking at. So guys, this is everything I have for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. And please feel free to join the Discord where we talk about AMC all day long and give up-to-date updates every minute of the day. So guys, this is what I have for you. Hopefully you found this video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter as well. Link down in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. And remember, you can check us out on the Discord, linked in the comment section description below. We have a great community there talking about AMC stocks, crypto all day long. Talk about trades as well. So if you find any of that interesting, come join us. Check us out. Great community. You're welcome there. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.